Okay, one more everyone. Big smiles.
Oh, that one is lovely.
Yes, wonderful.
I could ride like this forever.
It truly is peaceful out here. Fresh vegetables, best price today.
Look here, the freshest fish in the market.
The fish looks wonderful, and these vegetables are so colorful. We have the freshest selection today.
Everything looks so good. Look, Papa, we are almost there.
I see it, sweetie. I can't wait to eat.
Let's hurry home then.
You did such a wonderful job harvesting today.
I found the biggest squash.
They look perfect.
I can already taste the dinner you'll make with these.
You'll have to help me prepare it then. Look how clean these tomatoes are now.
This fish is almost ready for dinner.
I like splashing the water. That's it, gently now. Very good.
Look, I did it.
Doesn't that smell wonderful?
It looks perfect, Mama.
Wow, this is so much faster than the cart.
It certainly is. Are you holding the basket tightly?
Don't worry, we are fine.
May you be well. May you be happy. May you be free from suffering. We wish you peace.
This is fun.
Can we come back tomorrow?
Of course, sweetie. It is a beautiful day for a walk.
And the flowers smell wonderful.
Okay, one more everyone. Big smiles.
Oh, that one is lovely.
Yes, wonderful.